Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a brand new Facebook account step by step, whether you are on a phone or a computer. Let's jump right into it. First things first, if you are on a mobile device, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the official Facebook app. If you are on a computer, simply open up your browser and go to facebook.com. Step-by-step account creation. 1. Launch and start. Open the app or web page and click the prominent Create New Account or Get Started button. 2. Enter your name. Type first and last name. Input your real first and last name into the fields. Then tap Next. 3. Birthday and gender. Select your date of birth. You must be at least 13 years old to create an account. Choose your gender on the next screen and hit Next. 4. Contact info. Type phone or email. Enter your mobile phone number. Alternatively, tap the option at the bottom to sign up using an email address instead. 5. Create a strong password. Type in a secure password. Combine uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep their account safe. 6. Agree to terms. Tap I agree. Review Meta's terms and privacy policies, then click I agree to proceed with creating the profile. 7. Verify your account. Enter 5 or 6-digit code. Facebook will send a verification code via text message or email. Copy that code, paste it into the verification box, and tap Next. Profile customization. Once verified, your account is officially active. Facebook will ask you to add a profile picture and sync your contacts to find friends. You can do this now, or just tap Skip in the top right corner to finish it up later. And that is it. You are officially on Facebook. If this quick guide helped you out, please drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.